Kaselco Foundation kabri ka wayne ka seng 3 months ngobha kabla adabro bansoy ka Scholar Memorandum of Understanding Badgibor District karibhoy na kamanta bantay ke Health Sub Center kibade kat kum gajuk start bamanta banom syakta la da penthut ka bor maryang bakino tre ka tanat ka khoj khya kidon kami ka boarding ka batikna banom syakta ki paj ba ka panggastom Haka mamanta kasi kan rutrik naiwing kan ka foundation haka cintre lang berka sorkar jela lingba ka aspirational district program niti ayok kalayo ban plipat ba no eka kamera penkakhon ha umroy health and wellness center kabade kat kum ka juk start mamanta ber kenang benam sakta ka por bakha khlung ber ban penklanya ka jing sumar bakar pang na menta ki khna ren ya ketika jakab la tei ketika kamera penkakhon kadai ka bal ais kumbha na ka balang presbyterian umroy ya kan ka kamera penkakhon la wan ban plipat ba do ba daman ba la mare male ka umroy constituency haka jing se khilang ba rangkan sai kharbuki mdc ka umroy constituency u arpit upadaya Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy ka Dr. TS Mumin DMHO nongpo uba PB Seliang Chairman Umroy Dorbar Pelun u Ajen Kia Hande Program Manager Selco Foundation ka kong Mebari Scam sang peliang Project Coordinator Selco Foundation ki officer na katan ka koj khia ki nong sharai balang ki nong yalam snong jong kathan umroy ki asha ki agan wadi lamat kiwe
ngakertek Mebari Scam sang peliang bat ngade Project Coordinator ha ka Selco Foundation Kaselco Foundation ka sedang ha usnam arhajar shipho badha Meghalaya nila sedang mentrekam ha usnam arhajar kanyo ha livelihood badha health sectors te ka vision lane ka jingthu jungi ka dei bangin la ban penduna ya ka jingduk bad bingila ban train na bentak ban penbhaya ka maryang lingba ka decentralized renewable energy ne ka sustainable renewable energy lingba ka boarding solar te hakane ka state Meghalaya nilala ban solar power lani ban ai boarding solar haki arspa nyok teliki government health centers but hari bhoi nilala ban solar power lot ya baroki health centers kata sau pratili te hakane ka sni baminta nilala ban inaugurate ya ka umroi sub center labor room but ka maternity ward te hakane ka sub center kane ka labor room ka nishna kata ka rukom ka balong ka climate resilient room lane ka room ka ba kaya dai nishna lane ni design kata ka rukom ka ban katkum ka jinglong jaka sun beneng ti kalong kumha ka jing katkum ka jing shit lane ka jing khian kata ka thermal insulation milashna ya kane ka labor room ti ka tunum bat kane ka ceiling milashna kata ka rukom bakala ban yada na kane ka jinglong ko sunne la kadai ka jingkriat kani ka jingshit hakani ka labor room ni la solar power ni la air ikini ki medical equipments kum ka radiant warmer suction apparatus barka spotlight ka ba piniat lingba ka boarding solar lani kita ni don ro ikini ki labor bags ki delivery kit bat ki footstool bat kum ta terter tikani ka labor room ki don lightly ki kamera ka we ka delivery room ka ba ki nongkha ki kha kani ka room second part ka de ka maternity ward lani ka recovery room ka ba ki dakila dep kha nibu under observation 48 hours kila on shong lani ban thia ko kani ka recovery room but ka we pada ka don ka waiting room ka bade shabat ka ba ki patients kila ban shong shabat haba kila ban up lani shong kani ka waiting area ka bala an patsuki ki shong kin kha te kumjorong ni don ya kani ka sing ko ka ni ka labor room ka ban yarap na benta kini ki ANMs ni ki MLHPs bikin la ban pinkhoi la da dep kani ka delivery ni don ya kani ka bathroom mo na ni ka toilet na benta ki patients kiba one ban na ni kilong kami kiba one ban pinkha khalo hakani ka bathroom na ni ka toilet
Klip lala ang pendap nang
okay te hari bhai mangala ong ki don practically ki labor room modern labor rooms ki bani shna te nilayo man inaugurate ya kani ka umrai sub center labor room and maternity ward te sahnyoktili ka bani dang shna baki don ha ka 30% ka ding shna te in probably next month lashmanai lani ha ubnai January nila man pendap ki labor room construction
as a part of aspirational district program from Niti Aayog Government of India and also the contribution from Selco Foundation. Last year when we were formulating on what to do with the award money, and I was fortunate enough to meet Roshan ji from Selco, who is not here. And then we came up with this idea on how to improve the institutional delivery percentage in our district, how to provide a better health facility, better health care in the field of maternal and child health care facilities. And Selco Foundation, who is also the knowledge partner in this particular project, they came up with this unique design which is made up especially for Ribhoi district, considering the various geographical factors, various weather climate conditions and all. And today, when during inauguration, I was quite happy and satisfied with the work which has come up. And we are having 8 such labor rooms, 2 kind of designs. This is the larger one. Remaining ones are also about to complete in next 1 month most probably. And I hope that such kind of project will go a long way in improving the healthcare facilities of the district. And especially in this particular area, I know that there are certain things which we still have to do, like for example the access, how to reach ambulance to this point, also the staff quarters for our ANMs.
The aspirational district program Kabalaton Sisay Gumunsim Banjarab Banpun Urlong Bansya Yagane Kajaka Kakan Kunkulung Kawiom Kalibur Room Batiro Kumjo Ngai Dibli Yaga Selco Foundation Kabalaton Yaga Munsim Banjarab Banpun Urlong Banpunyo Yagane Kajaka Kakan Kunkulung Kalibur Room Nakurman Skamiro Bahati por kisi ke bansawan Pinang nak susu Panok seniang banjarab Banpun punpoi banpun ai Ya kejingirap ki beper Apa kini ketang kejong ni Ke Ribhoi district Tak kejong ke poro Kumapina ai ketua memorandum Banpun kelano Ban upgrade no Ya kene ke sub-center ke PHC, ke primary health center. Hoi ngakum MLA, local MLA, jong kene ke konstitusi kene ke than ke dong sini. Ngan kit kia, bangan wat kilat lenti ngan tristom, bangikat bagloi bala ngina ban upgrade. Ya kene ke sub-center ke PHC. Ngan kit kia ngan wat ibot ngan alat met banginla ban penurlong ban upgrade ya gane ka sub center jaga PSC